Hi friends, let me show you these new adjustable ankle weights that I bought for myself, for my exercise routines, okay? These weights are great because you get two, of course, one for each ankle or even for your wrists, okay? So, these are great, as you can see. You can use them like this, and you will be doing your exercise with an extra weight, even in your wrist or in your ankle, of course. Okay? Another great feature is that you can adjust the weight, okay? You can take out each weight, okay? This unit will be 3.5 pounds with all the weights, okay? So you can take out, you have 5 different weights, small weights, so 3.5, and each of them will be approximately half a pound, so you can change the total weight of your accessory for your exercise. If you want the full 3.5 pounds weight, you will have all of the weights inside, or you can take out 1, 2, 3, whichever you want to have your desired weight perfectly, okay? So let me show you how I will put this one in my ankle also. So you will do the same, like this, okay? Okay, you can wear them, of course, when you are going to do some exercise, some training, so you can have more weight in your legs and you will do more exercise. Okay, so I think these ones are really nice. They are, I bought them in a black color. I like them like that. And remember, if you want, you can change the total weight by getting out 1, 2, 3, or 4 of the weights in it, okay? So from 1 to 5 weights, total weight of 3.5 pounds in each one, okay? So, perfect. Thank you.